Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain Leetcode question number 905 sort array by parity. Given an integer array nums, move all the even integers at the beginning of the array followed by all the odd integers. Return any array that satisfies this condition. They given as one array of nums, and we need to move all our even integers at the beginning of the array and followed by all odd integers. Okay, we should keep in our mind only two things. Even should be come at the beginning and odd should come at the end. That much only. Okay, there is a one logic I will show you. Just we take one sort function by parity. We're passing the address of nums here. And I created one vector of integer type v. I will store all the elements in this. I taken two for loops, one for even and one for odd. If for starting, if all the even elements are there, then I will be pushed in this vector. Okay. After remaining rest of all integers will be pushed here. Finally, I will return v. In this logic, what is happening? Time complexity is taking big of 2n, because this is taking big of n and this is taking big of n plus n 2n, and 2 where 2 is constant, so it is taking big of n. Okay, and the space complexity is as well as taking big of n, because I am using extra data type as vector. I am storing all the num elements again in this vector. It is consuming some amount of data, so space complexity is big of n. There is a optimal solution with time complexity big of n and space complexity with big of 1. Now I will show. I'm taking now one variable in j equals to 0. For why? Because when I am saw the even element, then only j will be work. I will show in the code. Okay. For int I equals to 0, I is less than nums dot size I plus plus. With this for loop, it iterates all the vector elements in the nums array. I will use one condition. If nums of I percent 2 is equals to 0. If any number after performing percent 2 is 2, if it is equals to 0, then I will swap nums of I, comma, nums of j after j plus plus. See, when I come to know that it is an even element, thus I will swap with that element. After that, I will increment my j. After performing, I will return. After all the vectors once iterated, I will return nums. Okay, now I will run the code. Yeah, it is accepted. I will show how it will work with dry run. I will take this example 3124. 3124. J will be 0 and I will be starting time 0 and j is also 0. The condition nums of 5 percentage 2 equals to 0. See, where 3 I will do 3 nums of 0 means 3% 2 is equals to 0. No, this condition is false because it is odd element. It will not work. My I will be incremented to 1. Nums of 1 means 1. Where 1 is also odd, it will not work. I will increment my I value to 2. Nums of 2 means where it will come 2. 2 percentage 2 equals to 0. This condition is true. So I will swap my elements with I equals to 2 means these two will get interchanged. My 2 will come here and 3 get here. Now our j will be incremented by 1. Okay. Now I will be also incremented to 3, where 4 percentage 2 is equals to 0. Because 4 is even, this condition will work. Now swap these elements 3 and 1. This will get swapped. Here will change to 1 and here will get changed to 4. Okay. After that, my I will be incremented to 4 and j will also be incremented to 2. Now this condition will become false. Finally, we will return these numbers 2, 4, 3, 1. Okay. Now we can see the time complexity and space complexity of this logic. It is taking big of n because we are iterating all the vector elements once. And space complexity is big of 1 because we are not using any extra amount of space, only constant amount of space. Okay. Thank you guys for watching my video.